see it.
Yeah,
All
you
right.
should have it. And I'll be going in tomorrow and all the other dockets will be emailed.
Okay.
Okay. All right, got it. All right, I'm gonna start letting everybody in.
All right. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to County Court Law number 5. Today is August the 23rd. I would ask you all to mute yourselves until I call upon you. There you go. And what I'll do is I'm going to call the cases where the attorney is present. Then once I'll call the ones with attorneys, then I'll call the rest of the docket. So let's see who I have. Let's see some hands on attorneys. Jerry Kagan.
Morning, Judge. I have Richard Chavez at the end of the docket. If I can talk to a prosecutor.
You want to give me a case number?
Oh, I'm sorry. 684-907. It's near the end.
684-907, page 6. That
Richard
is
Chavez.
Richard Chavez. Richard Chavez, are you present?
Yes.
Where are you?
He's present in person in the courtroom.
Very good. Mr. Kagan, what are your wishes this morning?
I'd like to start off with the prosecutor.
I'm sorry, say again.
I said I'd like to start off with the prosecutor.
All right, sir, of course.
Thank you.
Renee, Maria, Amber,
All right, Valerie Headland.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I'm here on both Jose Trejo, case number 652-507.
652.
And he's present in the courtroom, Judge.
Yes.
Very good, thank you. And Ms. Headland, are you going to confer?
Your Honor, I don't need to. He needs to send in a pretrial diversion application.
All
And
right.
he went off the radar. I'm glad he's there this morning, and we'll get that application submitted this morning.
Very good.
And then I have, may he be excused, Your Honor. I do have his updated contact information.
Well, we're going to recall him in 40 days.
Okay,
We'll see if everything's squared away.
perfect.
And Mr. Trejo, stay in contact with Ms. Headland, your attorney. And you need to get with her. You're going to submit that PTD, or pre-trial diversion. Next case, Ms. Headland.
Thank you. Thank you. Irene Cortez is 664-557.
She's present in the courtroom.
664.
557.
I don't see that. Linda,
No, I don't see it, but I can set it, I can reset it for you if you'd like.
We don't need a reset. She has felonies pending that are unindicted. I was just going to ask to push it out anyway.
what's the name of that person?
Irene Cortez.
All right, we'll look into it.
Okay, thank you. But I do need her phone number. Deputy, could you have or get her phone number and I'll stop by and get it from you today?
Sure thing. I'll take care of that right now.
Okay, thank you. I think that's all I have, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. You'll have a good one.
Simon Rawls.
Good morning, Judge.
I think I'm a little late.
I'm here with Brenda Urbina, case number 689-602. She is in the courtroom. I'm waiting on an affidavit of non-prosecution from complaining A witness.
Hold on a second.
I would like to get a reset.
Hold on, it's on the last page, Judge, page 8.
Your Honor, I haven't been able to get in touch with my lawyer.
We're calling the attorneys that are
Okay.
present. Are you,
Mhm.
are you Miss Mann?
I'm sorry?
Are you Miss Mann, Shelby Mann?
No, I'm Eileen.
Okay, well, just mute and wait until we call your name. All right, 689-602.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Rawls, is Brenda Urbina present
She is.
in the courtroom, you said?
I saw her a second ago on Zoom.
All right, Ms. Urbina, speak up, wave, do something.
She's waving.
I don't see Brenda. Somebody see her?
It's Brenda Yu. She's waving. I don't think she can hear. She can speak. But she's waving.
Right, there you are. Now I see her. Thank you. And what are you doing, Mr. Rawls?
Judge, I'm waiting on an affidavit of non-prosecution from complaining witness. May we get a short reset?
2 weeks?
Yes, sir.
All right, recall 2 weeks, Linda.
Okay, it will be September the 13th.
Thank you. May myself and Ms. Urbina be excused?
You are both excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, now we got Brian O'Donnell.
Good morning, Your Honor. On page 8, I have Alana Caraveo, case number 689-574.
Is she
Your Honor.
present?
She has 2 pending felonies set for today, Your Honor. She is likely in those courts. I did speak with her yesterday. I told her after she appears there, she should appear in County Court 5, Your Honor.
Make sure that she does, otherwise she'll have a failure to appear.
Very well, Your Honor. I'll try to call her right now.
You have anything else?
I do not know,
All
Your
right,
Honor.
Brian.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Catherine Valenzuela.
Yes, Your Honor. I have Mr. Alvarez Ramirez. He's on page 7 and it's 689-444.
Got it? He's in
client-
jail?
He's in jail. There's a felony pending and they retained an attorney on the felony.
So you're gonna withdraw?
I'm
Or they're
just
gonna file a
waiting.
motion to substitute?
Yes, I'm gonna do that, Your Honor.
Well, if he's retained the attorney, who's the new attorney?
Daniel Rodriguez.
And where is he? Not that you're responsible for him.
Oh, I just found out last night he was retained, so.
Well, he should be here then. I'll note that he's not.
So may I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, ma'am, Ms. Alonso. Thank you for being here on time.
All right, have a great day.
You too. Rodolfo Zepeda,
Morning, Your Honor.
good morning.
I have Yolanda Jackson. She's on the 3rd page and the first one. Her case number is 665025.
Yolanda Jackson.
Jackson, yes, sir.
Ms. Jackson,
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
good morning.
Good morning.
And Rodolfo, this has been reset 9 times now. What are you doing today?
Well, Your Honor, I need to confer with the prosecutor, but I need to go to the 144th. So can I get off and then come back?
Absolutely.
All right, sir. I'll be back.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for showing up on time. Ms. Jackson, wait for your lawyer. Kelly Piddle.
Good morning, Judge. I have Daniel Perez. It's an MCR. It's on the first page of the docket.
Alrighty. Daniel Perez.
I don't see him on, Judge. If the court will allow me to log off and give him a call, and then we can log on in just a few minutes, if that's okay.
You do not see him. Hello.
Got it.
All right. He is a failure to appear right now.
Let me call him, Judge, and see if I can get him.
Get him on.
Thank you,
All
Judge.
right, folks, I'll ask you again to mute yourselves until I call upon you. Scott Martinez,
Yes, Judge.
Good
I have
morning.
a Benjamin Garcia, 683-679.
683-679. Bottom of page 5 is Mr. Benjamin Garcia present.
I believe I saw him.
Benjamin Garcia, wave your hands, speak up at this time. I do not see or hear a response. Make sure he reports, otherwise he'll have a failure to appear. Hello,
Yes, Judge.
Right here. Hello, wait, I'm here.
there you are. Good morning to you, Mr. Garcia. All right, Scott, what are you doing this morning?
We're pleading not guilty, Judge, so whatever the next setting is on that.
All right, well, are you going to confer with the state or are you going to just ask for a reset? What?
Just asking for a reset, Judge.
It's been reset several times already. I'll reset you one more. Reset, well, really, there's no file on this case, so we'll just reset it for 60 days.
Yes, Judge.
That will be October 25th.
All
October
right,
25.
Yes. Sally Gonzalez.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, and it's good to see you again.
Thank you, ma'am.
On page 8, the defendant is Jacob Gonzalez. Well, let me start over, sir. Jacob Garcia. And
Jacob Gonzalez Garcia. All right. Is he present?
Well, I wouldn't know, Judge, and I don't want to spend a lengthy explanation, but I actually wasn't aware of the setting myself. I think I received the documents on the 18th, but the defendant showed up on July the 12th, I think. I thought he would be appointed to someone else because I couldn't make an in-person appearance. So if he wasn't given notice then he wouldn't have notice now because I wasn't even aware of it. And on the 18th, I was in Ambergee K with very, well, again, I don't mean to make this a lengthy, but I don't.
We're going to give you a 30-day reset.
Yes, sir.
And make sure you find him and produce him at this time.
I appreciate that, Judge, and I will. Thank you. 30 days out.
September 27th.
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
I have my own attorney, Mr. Roy Barrera Jr.
Okay, well, that clarifies a lot.
Yeah, I'm here in his office right now.
Garcia speaking?
Yes, sir.
Where are you at?
Right.
There you are. All right.
Okay, I'm off the case then.
Yes, apparently. Although, do we have anything on the file that shows Mr. Barrera is now representing him?
I will look, Judge. Hold on. Give me 1 second and I will look for you.
Mr. Garcia, is that Roy Jr. or one of the brothers?
Roy Jr.
All right.
Do you know when you hired him? Because we haven't received any notice.
I hired him a few weeks ago.
All right. Well, stick around. He'll probably show up after a while.
May I be excused, Judge?
Yes, Ms. Gonzalez. Thank you for showing up. I appreciate that.
Thank you, sir. See you soon.
God willing. Todd Coronado.
Your Honor, right here, Aaron Hudson, 685-504.
685. And that is Aaron Hudson.
Correct. Would you like to confer, please?
Aaron Hudson, is he present?
He should be. I gave him the info this morning.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here. I'm here.
Where are you?
Hi, Judge.
There you are. Thank you, Aaron. Appreciate you're waving at me here. All right, Mr. Coronado, are you going to confer? What are you going to do?
Going to confer real quick. Thank you.
All right, conferring. Next one is
Hey, Judge, I have a
Benjamin
question.
Garcia. Okay, that's, you're the defendant, right, Mr. Garcia? Damian Sines, attorney.
Yes, good morning, Judge. I have
morning.
Eugene Esquivel. I don't have the docket in front of me, Judge, so I can't tell you the page, but I can give you the cause number 689440. Eugene Esquivel.
Alrighty, 689-440.
That's on page 7.
Yes. Eugene Esquivel, are you present?
Yes, sir. I'm right here.
Good morning, Mr. Esquivel. Your attorney is here. You're here,
Good morning, sir.
Mr. Sines. What are you going to, I'm sorry. Well, this says,
Judge, I was just retained by Mr. Esquivel. I filed my notice of appearance with the county clerk. They have not processed yet, but it has been filed. He also has a felony pending. That case has been forwarded to the grand jury. So we probably just need a little bit of time, Judge, to get the evidence in and
let's give you 45 days.
45 days.
Felony pending, unindicted.
October 18th.
October 18th. Okay, I'll put that on my calendar. And may
Mr.
we be
Esquivel, stay in
Yes, sir.
touch with your attorney. He's already got this postponed now, 45 days. You got the date. It was just announced.
Okay, sir.
Ashley Morgan, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I am well, thank you.
Good. I'm on Miss Lauren Valdez, cause number 689-537. She is present.
689-537.
Yes, sir.
Lauren Valdez. Ms. Morgan, what are you doing this morning?
Judge, this case is not filed yet. Her blood results have not come back. I was going to ask for a reset to get the blood results.
Let's give you want 30 or 45?
I think 45. Mine, I still have some from January that I don't have blood results back on.
What? Are you
I
kidding?
know. I know. Yes. No, I'm not
How
kidding.
unusual. All right.
October 18th.
To deal with me, you've got till December 31st, so we're going to run out of time.
I know. We'll get it in motion suppressed as soon as we get the blood results.
Alrighty. Let's see, who is that that's in the courtroom? I don't see a name. It just says County Court 5 courtroom.
It's Leslie Herbst.
Is who?
Leslie Herbst.
Leslie Herbst. No, it ain't. That's County Court 5 courtroom. Good morning, Leslie. How are you?
Good, Judge. How are you today?
Give me a case number.
I'm here on 2 cases. Donald Moberg, case number 675-704.
Hold on. Page 4, thank you. 675-704.
Yes.
Donald Moberg. There is no foul on Mr. Moberg. What do you want to do, Mr. Herbst, on this case?
I'd like to convince the state to do a dismissal.
All right, well, then I'll let you confer about that.
And I'm also here on Rogelio Flores,
Case number?
639043. Top of page 2 of your docket sheet.
639-043. Rogelio Vega Flores, Mr.
Here,
Rogelio. Good morning.
Good morning.
Leslie, this has been reset 11 times. We need to bump it along.
We're waiting on the prosecutor to get us an amount for restitution so we can pay it and get the case dismissed.
You going to confer on this?
Sure.
All right. So be it. Simon Rawls again.
Yes, Judge, I apologize. I didn't realize I had Shelby Mann as well. I think she was in the courtroom. She's going to be coming on Zoom eminently. Could I have a short reset on that
case
one?
number?
I'm sorry?
How about a case number?
Absolutely. I apologize. The case number is 6 89603.
The very last case, no file.
Yes, sir. Can we get a reset on that until we have time to get the discovery?
Is Miss Shelby Mann here? I think I saw the name right earlier.
She was in, actually, I think she's physically in the courtroom. She called me. She's running to get to her car to get on Zoom now.
Okay, I did see her earlier. It's a female, right? A lady?
That is correct.
All right. And what are you gonna do on this? You wanted to reset because of no file?
Yes, sir.
Let's reset you 45 days.
Thank you, Judge.
All right.
October 18th.
Wait, thank you. May I be excused again?
Yes, sir.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
You too.
Attorneys, who else have I got?
Thomas Beck.
Todd Coronado?
Yes, sir, I've conferred and we just need another reset for more
Give me
discovery.
the case number,
Please.
Todd.
685-504. 685-504, Aaron Edson.
685-504.
Correct.
You conferred in what?
We need a reset for more discovery.
You got a date, Linda?
For how long? 30 days?
That ought to do it.
Okay, 30 days would be September 27th.
Got
All
it. May
right.
we be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Raymond Vale Jr.
Good morning, Judge. I have Amanda Garcia, case number 689-498. I'm not sure where I am on the docket.
Page 7.
689-498.
Yes, sir.
She's
It's an
in jail,
evading
right?
arrest. My client is currently in the detention center, Judge. She's got a felony pending, awaiting indictment.
Right.
And so I would just ask that we push this off a few weeks, see if they're going to get her indicted or not.
Give her a 40-day reset, Linda.
Okay, I'm gonna give you October 18th.
Okay. May we be excused, Judge?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Yadira Villarreal.
Good morning, Your Honor. I have Edward Gutierrez, second page, cause number 653709.
653709.
Yes, Your Honor.
Edward Gutierrez.
He is present.
Your Honor.
Thank you. And Ms. Villarreal, what are your wishes this morning?
Well, Your Honor, there is a felony that's pending. I do believe there's been an indictment.
It is
So,
indicted under case number 180, pardon me, on 186 District Court.
yes.
Yeah, 2022 CR 4918. What are your wishes at this time?
Just to reset, Your Honor, since we're going to.
All right. Let's give you 36 days, Linda.
Okay, that would be October 5th.
October 5th. Yes, Your Honor.
All righty. You reset to that date. Thank you for being here on time, Ms. Villarreal.
Yes, you have a good day.
Pardon me? All right, Benjamin James Garcia. You still show your hand up. Aren't you a defendant? You're muted and try if you're trying to talk to me. Okay. Robert Mariano.
I'm still logged in, sir.
Yes, sir, Judge. I'm here on Domingo Cordova Jr., case number 642961, and we need to confer with the state.
642. Linda, do you see 642961?
No, I don't. Hold on.
And what may have happened is, go ahead.
It is on the docket, though. I don't know why it's not on here, but
What's the name of the defendant?
Domingo Cordova.
Sunday Cordova. And the attorney is Robert Arellano?
Yes, sir.
You're not Robert Arellano, not the one I know.
I'm Junior, Robert Ariano Jr.
Ah, you leave the junior out, huh?
I'll have to add it to avoid confusion.
You ought to put the junior in there, so I know you're not trying to fool with me. What
Yes,
is
sir.
Mr. Cordova charged with, Robert?
He is charged with evading arrest or detention.
Okay, class A misdemeanor. All right. And what do you want to do with that? Is he present?
Yes, sir, he's present.
Good morning to you, Mr. Cordova. All right, I'll show you present. Are you going to confer on this, Mr. Arellano?
Yes, sir. If I could be put in a breakout room with the prosecutor, I'd appreciate it.
All right. We're showing you, conferring. And was Yolanda Arellano your aunt or cousin or what?
Yes, the one who just recently passed away. She's my
Yeah.
aunt.
We just buried her a week or so.
Yes, sir.
All right, well, you have my condolences. I saw your dad there. Luis
sir.
Martinez.
Yes, Judge, good morning. Judge, I'm here on Jericho Taylor. He's got a few cases on your docket. First one being 674-961.
674-961.
Judge, I may not be listed as the attorney of record. We've been trying to e-file notice, but obviously there's been problems with e-file.
674.
It's gonna be under 574-961
574,
on the first page, Judge.
right.
And then some accompanying cases, Judge.
Okay, that is Queen Jericho. Okay.
Yes, sir. It's Jericho
Is he
Taylor,
present?
Judge. He's
Mr.
present.
Jericho, you present?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
There you are. All right. And we show Capmeyer, but it's going to be Luis Martinez.
Yes, Judge.
And what are you doing on this, Luis?
Judge, he's got some unindicted felonies pending that are attached to some of these misdemeanors.
Right. He's got
So-
2 unindicted at this point.
Right. And so I'd like to see if I can get a 60-day continuance to see what they're going to do with the felonies.
You want 60 days.
Yes, Judge.
All righty.
October 25th.
Okay, sounds good.
What else you got, Luis? I think.
Judge, that's all I've got.
Okay, then you're excused, Mr. Jericho. Thank you for being here on time with your attorney. You're excused. Flavio Hernandez.
Thank you so much.
Good morning, Judge. I've got 4 cases on the docket. I've been conferring with Kyle. Let me give you the first 2 on page 4. 65349
Say again.
on page 4.
Yes.
65349.
Well, I show I show Harris and Puente.
Yeah, Rudy Puente and Ariel Harris.
Yes,
And
sir,
then
I am here. Ariel
Good
Harris.
morning,
is
Ms.
here.
Harris and
Good
Mr.
morning.
Puente. Good morning.
And I have 2 more on page
Hold on,
5.
what are you going to do with these? Let's talk about Ms. Harris first.
All of these I need to confer.
Confer. On Mr. Puente, you do have a felony pending. And what are the other cases, Flavio?
On page 5, I have 667291, Rafael Petro Ortiz.
You got
Ortiz
667.
667291.
It's not on page 5, but I'll find it.
Rafael Petro or Rafael?
681-346, Judge.
Say
Rafael
again,
Ortiz Petro.
Linda, say again.
681-346.
681. It's on page 5. There it is. Rafael Ortiz Pecho.
Correcto, aquí estoy, vuestro honor.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Flavio,
I want to confer and also on 683-130, Julio Rodriguez. And I've been conferring with Kyle. I may be on the verge of some dismissals.
I'll talk to you, Mr. Hernandez.
Mr. Julio Rodriguez, are you present?
I'm present, Your Honor.
Very good. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, Flavio, go ahead and confer. You've got a bunch of work.
Thank you.
All right, Bob Hicks.
Good morning, Your Honor, and how are you?
Good morning, Bob. What you got?
On page 3, I have Quinaya Tatum, 665-345.
665-345.
Yes.
Quinaya Tatum. Ms. Tatum, where are you? Or Mr.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay, wave at me or something. There you are.
I'm here, Your Honor.
I see you. Thank you. Bob, this has been reset 9 times. I need it bumped along.
Okay, the thing that I've never been able to get an answer to is whether this is tied to the felony, which is continuous.
Okay,
And
he's got, I show at least, she's got at least one felony pending.
She does. It's for continuous family violence, and I need to check and see whether this case has been subsumed in that. If it has, then
All right, well, check it out. You're going to confer, I guess, huh?
please.
All righty. Thomas Beck.
Morning, Judge. I have a case on page 4, Tyler Shouttree.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Case
This shit
number.
is gonna make me upset.
And Judge, I have a second case I wanted to ask you
Oh,
about.
hold on. Which case are you talking about now?
Well, the first case I need to confer, Tyler Shouttree, and he's here.
What's the case number?
673-136.
Say again, Linda.
673-136.
There it is. Sheltree. All right, is Tyler Sheltree present?
Yes, sir. I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Sheltree.
Morning.
All right, Mr. Beck.
Judge, I had a case from yesterday's docket, Matthew Silva, and I wanted to check to see if he was here.
And where were you yesterday?
Present in the
Mr. Beck?
courtroom.
I'm not. Is Mr. Silva here?
He's present in the
He's present in the
courtroom.
courtroom.
Okay, great. So Judge, that was a setting from yesterday.
And why are we calling it today, Mr. Beck?
Well, he made it yesterday afternoon. And so.
Where were you, Mr. Beck, is my question. We never heard from you yesterday, sir.
Well, I knew that he wasn't gonna appear. So I finally got a hold of him.
Let me
I
remind
was
you.
in, I was in county court 6 the whole morning on a trial setting.
Let me just remind you real quick. There's a local rule that requires you to be in touch with this court when you're not going to be here. You were on the docket. We never heard from you. I put you on my list of people that don't show respect and follow the rule.
Well,
You
Judge,
hear what I'm saying,
that's
Mr.
not
Beck?
true. I don't think I belong on that list. I've
Well, as of
always appeared in
yesterday,
your court, and
as
I've
of
never
yesterday, you
missed a
are.
setting at
Yes.
all.
As of yesterday, you're on that list because you didn't bother to contact us, and that's how simple it is.
Well, I
What's the
did.
case number on this case?
Get him here, Judge. I mean. so
Mr. Beck, I'm
now-
not going to argue with you, sir.
I'll never do that again, Judge.
I hope not. What's the case number we're talking about?
677-682 from yesterday's docket.
And what's the defendant's name?
Matthew Silva.
Silva.
on that case, I would ask for a short reset.
When you say short reset, 2 weeks, or we talking about 30 days?
2 weeks would be fine.
Recall 2 weeks, Linda.
Okay, September the 13th.
Anything else, Mr. Beck?
I just need to confer on my other case, Judge.
All right, I'm showing you as conferring. Rochelle Acevedo.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, Ms. Acevedo. How are you?
I'm good, Judge. I'm here for both myself and Brandon. Brandon is top of the docket on page 1 on Priscilla Ramirez.
By golly, he sure is. She's a fugitive as far as this list, but is she here? Priscilla Ramirez. Priscilla
Judge,
Ramirez.
yeah, we didn't anticipate that she would be on. We lost contact with her. Mr. Lopez's office is continuing to try those efforts, but I understand that she's a fugitive.
All righty.
And then, Judge, I am on the bottom of the docket on page 1, second to the last, on Miss McVeigh. And Judge, on that one, I've reached out to Miss Chavez with regard to a PTD. She hasn't got back to me, so if the court will just entertain me giving her another call this morning to see what's going on with the PTD application, because I haven't heard back.
Okay. How much time do you need, Rochelle?
Judge, I can continue those efforts this morning if you'll just let me call and report back to the court. She just hasn't got back to me. I've sent her a couple of emails, Judge.
Okay, what about your client? Is she here?
She's present, Judge.
All right, thank you very much. This thing's been reset 16 times. We need to bump it along. I'm showing on here applying for PTD. Report back when you've got something, okay?
I will, Judge. Thank you.
Thank you. Jeannie Cupid.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you today?
I am well. How about you?
Doing well, Judge.
Good. What you got?
I have 2 cases. The first is 671-630, Ms. Morales.
671-630. Antonia Morales.
Judge, I'm not sure that she's on.
Antonia Morales. Speak up, wave something. Okay, it doesn't appear that she's here, Ms. Cupid.
And Judge, I haven't spoken with the state previously on this case, and we'd agreed to do PTD, and I need to check on the application. When I look in the system, it's not showing up. Would it be permissible for me to try to reach out and see where Ms. Morales is and get her to log on?
Absolutely.
And Judge, if otherwise, can you make a note that we have agreed to do a PTD on that case?
It is so noted on the docket already, and I appreciate your reminding me. Let's get her to report, and we'll give you probably about a 40-day repeat, or rather recall.
All right, Judge. And when you're ready, I have my second case.
I am ready.
677-630, Mr. Luis Ramos.
630.
Linda, do you show that number?
677-630. Betty Rodriguez?
I'm sorry, 677-360.
I don't show that either. I don't show 677, Linda.
Me neither. Hold on. 360.
This is a new appointment, Judge. Even though it's an old case, it looks like there was a prior attorney that withdrew.
Is that Luis Ramos?
Yes.
It's in County Court 13.
Well, duh, that's why it's not on your docket. But Judge, I'm just checking to see how sharp you were this morning.
Oh, okay. Did I pass?
Yeah, all right. Well, I'll pass. That's all I have for you then, Judge.
Right. Let me know about this other case with the PTD thing.
I will. I'll get around, Judge. Thanks.
Thank you. Let's see, who is that?
Michael De La Paz, Your Honor.
Michael De La Paz. Are you related to Brent?
Son 3 páginas.
Yes, sir.
Estoy en el medio donde puedo ver
All
a
right,
todo el
somebody's
mundo.
talking that shouldn't
Y
be.
si me voy
Rafael
pa'l-
Ortiz.
Got it.
All
I'm
right,
here on cause number 689-456, Judge.
689,
456.
456, page 7.
That's Mr. Juan Huerta, Juan J. Huerta.
Juan Jose Huerta. Is he present?
I don't see him on the board on here, but I spoke with him this morning. Oh, he actually came to court, so he's here in the courtroom, Judge.
All right,
He's in the back over there. When I checked in with the bailiff, I was informed that there's not a file prepared on that.
that's correct.
Okay, so just want to let the court know that we were here. I guess we'll wait for a new setting.
Linda?
Yes, sir. How long?
I don't know, as long as it takes to get the file ready, 30 days is fine.
Asking Judge.
Let's go with 35 days.
Okay, so let's do October 6th.
I have a 10-day trial starting in Travis County on October 3rd. So if we can do it the week before or maybe 2 weeks after is fine.
All right, give me a week before, the 28
Okay.
days.
Let's do, how about September 27th?
Sounds good.
Okay.
Thank
All
you, Your
right.
Honor. Be excused.
Let's see, Kelly Piddle.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Kelly Piddle,
Excuse me, Your Honor.
who's speaking?
This is Arianique McVeigh with the attorney of Rochelle. The Zoom kept kicking me out of the chat, but I've been present this whole time. Like, it'll let me back in, but it'll kick me right back out. And I just wanted to know, I didn't really get to hear all what was said, like if it was reset or if I was supposed to be excused or not.
I don't know what we did with your case.
It's on the first page. Rochelle is gonna check on her application for PTD.
Okay.
And she's
So
gonna
stick
get
around a
back.
little while. She'll be back.
Okay, so stay on.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Kelly Piddle.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
I have
What you got?
I have Daniel Perez. He's on the first page of the docket. He is logged in and he's present on Zoom.
All right, Daniel Perez.
Yes,
What do you
sir.
got? All right, then we've got you marked present now, and your attorney is here. Kelly, what are you doing on this?
Judge, can I confer with your CLO and then with the state?
Of course.
Thank you.
All right. Let's see. Robert Arellano, did you need to talk to me again?
Judge, just letting you know that we conferred with the state and there is a higher case, a felony case, and we're going to follow. We'll see how that one shakes
All right,
out and it'll resolve the
me
misdemeanor. Can we get a reset?
Robert, tell me the case number.
That case number is.
Oh, it's the add-on, Judge, 642961, Domingo Cordova.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you conferred in what?
I would ask for a reset. We are going to see how the felony case resolves, and I think it'll work out the misdemeanor.
All right, let's give it 50 days.
Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
Okay, hold on, October, about October 24th.
That works for us.
All right. Sunny Middleton,
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning.
I have
I think your birthday was recently.
Yes, sir. Thank
So
you.
I'm late, but a happy birthday to you.
Well, thank you. I appreciate that, Your Honor.
No problem.
I have Sergio Gutierrez,
Case number
649206.
649.
Yes, sir. 206.
Got it.
I have
Sergio
conferred.
Gutierrez, are you present? Sergio Gutierrez.
Yes, sir.
Waving.
There you are. Very good. Sonny, what are you doing this morning?
I have conferred by chat with Kenny. He's going to make me an offer and by email, and so we're just asking for a reset.
All right.
He's
let's
checking
give
to
you
see if
21
it'll-
days. Reset 21 days.
Okay, September 20th?
I'm on vacation from September 15th to the end of September.
Okay. How about October 3rd then?
October 3rd sounds good.
Okay.
And may Mr. Gutierrez be excused.
All righty.
And Your Honor,
Yes.
I do have two other clients.
Oh, well, let's get your other ones too.
Yes, sir. Henry Winkenhauer, case 683092.
683.
092. I don't know if he's here or in your courtroom.
Harry Winkenhauer. Harry Winkenhauer, are you present? No. Right now,
Okay.
he's a failure to appear.
Yeah, I've never been able to speak to him. I have emailed him Zoom information, and in the beginning he appeared live, but I've kind of lost him.
Who's the next one, Ms. Middleton?
And Christian Burnell, he has two cases, but the first one is 683862.
Top of page 6, Judge.
6.
And we're in the same boat. I don't know if he's here or not.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Oh,
Very good. And you're going to confer on this one, Sonny?
Yes, sir.
Very good. All right. Let's see. Roy Barrera Jr.
Judge, good morning.
Good morning, Judge. How are you?
I'm fine, Your Honor. Thank you. Judge, just was retained by Mr. Gonzalez Jacob. I understand he's present, and also
Yes,
his court-appointed attorney also appeared. I'm asking if the court will allow me to represent him and reset this for October the 3rd.
All righty. Do you know the case number, Roy?
No, sir, I don't have it with me.
689-590, page 8.
689. There it is. 689-590. Jacob Garcia. And he is present. I know that.
Yes, sir.
All right. All right. Were you gonna confer? Because I had already reset him.
Yes, sir, I'd be happy to confer. And if you could please put us on the October 3rd docket, Linda.
Yes, sir, I will do that. Can you also make sure that they e-file your notice of retained, please?
Yes, ma'am, we'll do that this morning.
Okay.
Very good. All right.
Thank you, Linda.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge.
Take care.
108
Talk to your dad.
18.
He's great, Judge. He's doing fantastic. Thank you.
That's great. All right, Bob Hicks, what you got?
All right, sir. I have conferred with Kenny.
Case number.
And there's been an offer made in the felony that they're going to take this case into consideration. The felony is set on Thursday, and I have a call in to the attorney to find out what's going on.
All right, which case number are we talking about, Bob?
665345. It's on page 3.
665. 345.
When I had taken.
Let's give you 2 weeks. How's that?
That's fine.
Sounds like it'll be wiped out by then.
September 13th, just in case.
What day would that be, Linda?
September 13th.
September 13th. Thank you very much.
Mhm.
And Your Honor, since that finishes me up in here, may I be excused?
Yes, sir. You take care of yourself. Stay out of trouble.
Have a good day.
I will try.
I tried.
Raimundo Aleman.
Yes, Judge, I'm here. I just got in. My client said be there by Zoom also. I will confer.
You got a case number, Raimundo?
Yes, sir. It's 688955.
Say again.
688955. I need Trejo.
I don't show that on the docket, Linda.
No, I don't either.
Well, we were told this was reset for some reason on the original date. So you don't have her on the docket?
It's okay. We're adding her on.
We're here.
Yes, ma'am, you added her on last week.
Yeah, for the 23rd. Yeah, today.
Okay.
What's the name of your client, Raimundo?
Eileen Catherine Trejo.
Oh, I know where. Hold on.
She has an MTR in the new case.
It's under 647780, Judge, page 2.
Oh, yeah, that's, I guess they have her under the original, the old case instead of the new one. They have her under the MTR. Well, I guess they're not ready for the new case.
Okay, we got you present. Is Ms. Trejo present?
They should be present there by Zoom.
Here.
Ms.
There-
Trejo,
I think
how are
so.
you?
There. Good
She's
morning.
present. All right, I got her. And what are you doing now? Raimundo, you gonna confer what?
0,
Yes,
1,
Judge.
0, 2, 5,
Come on,
8.
folks. Raimundo, say again.
Yes, Judge, we will confer.
All right. Let's see. Thomas Beck, round 2. What you got? I can't hear anything from you. Are you muted?
Are we reset?
No, you have to wait.
Step out. It's too loud.
Thomas Beck, you unmuted, but it's silent.
Can't hear you, Mr. Beck.
Can you hear me now?
Now
Yes, we do.
Okay, Judge, they need one last setting to look into this restitution issue. And also, we're trying to negotiate a deferred adjudication, and they want to give that one final look. So in 30 days, I think we can get something done with this case.
All right, we'll recall you in 30 days.
Are you talking about Tyler Sultry?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's not Matthew Seedwell, it's somebody else.
I'm sorry, Judge. You reset now Matthew Silva already?
Right.
So
Okay,
this is
so you got another client?
Tyler Sultry.
Right, what's that case number?
That case number is
673136.
Linda?
673136, page 4.
Got it. And I do see Mr. Shaltree, he did check in. What you got on that, Mr. Beck, what's your announcement?
Well, our announcement is we'd like a 30-day reset. They're gonna look into restitution one last time, and it might go away, that whole issue. And we're trying to negotiate a final deal for deferred, and they want to look at that one last time. So I think a 30-day reset will be very productive.
Let's give you 28 days. That's 4 weeks from today. What's the date, Linda?
4 weeks from today would be the 27th.
All right. You got it, Mr. Beck?
Yes, Judge, I appreciate it. And
All right.
I apologize about yesterday.
No problem. Just take care. Kelly Piddle.
Yes, Judge, I spoke with Miss Luna. If I could possibly talk to your prosecutor, Kyle Van Nance, please.
Linda?
Gonna put him in a breakout room. Kelly, go back to 2, and I will tell Kyle to go to 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Jerry Kagan.
Hi, Judge. On 684-907, Richard Chavez. I spoke with the prosecutor, and because it's a new case, he needs time to look at it. So if I can get a regular reset.
All right, we're gonna reset you 28 days.
Thank you.
September 27th.
Got it. Now, Mr. Chavez is in the courtroom. Can somebody let him know he's free to leave?
Deputy, would you let Mr. Chavez know that he is excused for the day? Tell him to
Yes,
stay in
Judge.
touch with his attorney.
Will do, Judge.
Thank you. All right, then we got Sonny Middleton.
Yes, Your Honor, on Christian Burnell, 683-862. I talked with
Say
Ken.
again, say again.
683-862.
right at the top of the page, 6. All
Okay,
right.
and he's got 2 cases. I have talked with Kenny. He's gonna email me an offer. We could get a reset, and because of my vacation, the reset day was October 3rd on the other case.
All right, let's make it 10-3, Linda.
Yes, sir, got it.
Thank you. May I, myself and Mr. Brunel be excused, Your Honor.
You are excused. Happy
Thank you for the
birthday.
birthday.
again. Take
Thank
care.
you. You're very sweet. Bye-bye.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Attorneys, which attorneys are present have not raised their hands? Hello? Anybody?
Yes, Your Honor. William Davidson.
William Davidson. Case number.
I have. Sorry, I have Stephen Diaz, 669-072.
669.
072.
062.
Oh, 62, okay.
You're
I-
dyslexic, huh?
I put in a motion to have him, his competence checked into. And I don't have his, phone number
Right.
this morning. I
So
wasn't
we're
able to
gonna
call
have,
him.
we have a competency issue pending then.
Yes.
All
He's
right.
also got a felony case.
I'm not aware of the felony is not listed here, but it doesn't make any difference. We've got to get that competency issue taken care of.
Okay.
All right, Linda, let's give him 60 days to see what's going on.
October 25th.
What else you got, Bill?
I have a Biden Morales in, I'm sorry, Judge, I'm not sure of the cause number from this piece of paper I have. I'm looking at it.
Baden Morales, I've got, well, that's the one you just gave us, 669.
I know I mixed up the
062.
numbers. I gave you the wrong number. I'm sorry about that. I apologize.
No problem, 69062. We just said that's a competency one.
But that's not, that's gonna be, I'm sorry, Judge, that's the wrong number I gave you. That's Biden Morales.
Okay,
Yeah.
so is that on Stephen Diaz, the competency?
Yes, yes, it is.
Judge, that's 680-090.
Wait, let's go back to Morales. That is not a competency issue, it's a PTD issue, right?
What?
So let's go ahead and stay with the 60 days. Now, the other one, Linda, was what?
680-090.
All right, bottom of page 4.
Yes, that's the
That
one.
is Stephen Diaz. Is that the one with the competency issue?
Yes.
All right. And is he here? Stephen Diaz. Stephen Diaz. Last call, Stephen Diaz, a failure to appear. But it is a competency issue. Linda,
Yes,
let's just reset that 60 days. Mr. Davidson, get a hold of this person. I don't want to issue a warrant for him, especially if we've got a pending competency issue.
Yes, sir.
and what are we doing on Baden Morales?
He
Same thing, 60 days. Because that's a PTD, I think, wasn't it?
Yes. Is it possible also I could talk to the ADA today on that case?
Absolutely. All right, make it so. Get in there and talk to him. Jonathan Watkins.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Your Honor. I have 2 different cases, sir. I have Carlos Vargas, and that is 625-188.
625. I don't. It looks like that was reset, wasn't it, Linda?
625-188. Hold on. It's 594-501. Carlos Vargas.
Okay, gotcha. All right, what about Mr. Vargas?
And Your Honor, I was in district court all day yesterday, and we pled out his felony. And there's going to be a sentencing hearing on October the 3rd in front of Judge Boyd, Your Honor, and that should work out this matter. On October the 3rd is the sentencing hearing for the felony.
Yeah, go for it.
All right, is Mr. Vargas present today?
I believe he is, Your Honor.
Carlos Vargas.
Give him that link.
Carlos Vargas, last call.
I can get him on shortly, Your Honor. He might have gotten
Make
the
sure
wrong.
you do, otherwise you'll have a warrant.
Yes, sir. I'll get him on right now. And
All
I
right,
do.
you had another case?
Yes, sir. I have one more case, Your Honor. It's Sharon Mend, and she is on the Zoom, Judge, and her case number is 666-164.
Actually, 628-992, first page.
628-992, Sharon Mendez. I see her.
Yes, sir. Yeah, and I just wanted to confer with the DA on that one, if possible.
Of course. Be sure and report back.
Yes, sir.
All right. Attorneys. Kelly Piddle.
Hi, Judge. I conferred with the state and the CLO on the MTR. We have a resolution. We just need to accomplish one thing before we can resolve the MTR. And I was going to ask the court, what is the buyout rate for the community service? And number one, will you allow him to buy out? Number two, what is the rate if you do?
Are we talking about Perez?
Yes, sir. Yes, Judge.
All right. Get with Maricela Luna, the CLO.
Okay.
And let her know what income this gentleman has. She can submit to me a request to donate in lieu of the hours. And I'll consider it depending upon his income and whether he has children he supports.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Then I'll get that with the client and I'll give it Ms. Luna. Is it possible to get a new court date since I'm talking with you, so I don't have to come back and disturb the court?
Which, how much time are we talking about?
Probably 30 days, Judge, just
Let's give you,
because it
let's
is.
reset in 28.
927.
I'm sorry? 927? Okay. Thank you, Judge. And I'll get with the client, Ms. Luna. Can I go back into a breakout room with Ms. Luna, please?
Sure.
Sure.
Jose Carranza, are you an attorney?
Judge, may I be excused for a moment? I have to contact County Court 8 because I'm supposed to be there for jury duty, and I talked to their clerks yesterday, so there's maybe a warrant out for my arrests, possibly.
I wouldn't put it past her.
Your Honor, can I
All
use
right,
the
Jose Carranza, are you an attorney?
My attorney is Charles Bunk, Your Honor.
Mr.
Okay.
Bunk is on, Judge.
Just hold on, Charles.
I'm
Bunk.
here. I'm here.
I see you. What's going on, Charles? What's your case number?
I had met with Kyle Vance 2 weeks ago, and they reset it for 2 weeks to see if they could contact the complainant. So I haven't heard back from Kyle on what the result was.
Case number, Judge, is 667-291. Page 3.
Okay, I see Jose Carranza and I see John Charles Bunk. So are you going to confer, Charles?
Yes, I'd like to speak to Kyle Vance if possible.
Right here, Your Honor.
I think he's here.
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
All right, we'll put you together as soon as we can. Mr.
Thank you,
Carranza,
sir.
your attorney's here, you're here. Stick around. All right, anybody else? Michael Goins.
Yes, Your Honor. I am here on Jackalea Mims, 681-400.
681-400. Jackalaya Mims.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Somebody needs to get muted, Linda.
I'm getting it, Judge, right there.
All right. Jackalaya Mims, are you here?
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor. It's
Good morning,
Jacayla.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Mr. Goins, this docket says that Ms. Mims has a warrant for her arrest, so you need to check that out.
Your Honor, she has 2 new cases that came up, and I believe that's why the warrant is there.
Well, you know, that's what you do with it right now is up to you and Ms. Mims. What are you going to do right now in this case?
I would like to talk to the prosecutor, Your Honor. All cases are in your court.
All right, double check it. let's resolve the warrant issue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Any other attorney? Let's see some hands.
Mr. Davidson is back.
I don't see any hands from Mr. Davidson.
Your Honor, I was in the breakout room, but there was nobody there, so I wasn't sure if I was.
Well,
supposed to
stick
stay
around.
in.
That
There's a
means
lot
that
of
they're
people
tied
in
up.
front of you.
Okay, that's fine. I wasn't
All
sure
right.
that was the correct room. I'll go right back then, okay?
All right. Any other attorney? Let's see some hands.
Patrick Lamas is in CC5 courtroom, Judge.
Is that the late Patrick Lemus?
Good morning, Your Honor. Yes, sir. Sorry, I think I sent an email letting you know.
Case number.
But yes, sir. I'm on page 5 of the docket, I believe. Case number 681437.
681437.
Yes, sir. From Michael Fernandez.
Michael Fernandez.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm present on Zoom.
Thank you. What are you doing on this?
Your Honor, I'm going to ask for another reset. He still has a pending felony that hasn't been indicted yet. We're still trying to work that out. I'm pretty sure they'll take care of this case.
Let's reset this for 40 days.
Judge
Linda.
Longoria,
Linda, 40-day reset for Mr.
Patrick?
Lamas. client.
Okay. October the 5th.
Sounds good to me.
All right, somebody was trying to talk to me. Who else?
that would have been me, Judge. Am I excused to go down to the courthouse because
Of
Judge
course, of
Roman is
course, yes.
requesting to see me?
I thought you were gone already.
Yeah, I had to call the court, but now Judge Roman wants to see me, so I'll hopefully be back to finish our own docket.
All right, go do it.
And with
All
that,
right.
Your Honor, may me and my client be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, anybody else? Attorneys? Okay, yes, Carlos, somebody.
Oh,
over there?
Ryan Oreo is in courtroom 5, Judge.
Hello.
All right, I've called all the attorneys. Now I'm gonna call the people that don't, those attorneys did not show up.
Judge Brian Oreo is in the courtroom.
Hey, good morning, Judge.
Good afternoon, Mr. Oriole. What can I do for you?
Yes, sir. I'm here on Mr. Joseph Connors. That's going to be a plea. All the plea paperwork, I believe, is in the court file. We had done the plea paperwork before we went back to Zoom. So
What's the case number, Mr. Oriole?
it's going to be 639-934.
639-934.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's a plea.
Yes.
And when are we doing that, Linda?
Can we do it tomorrow morning, Brian?
Sure. Is there any way, just with my client's work, could we do it this afternoon, Judge?
I don't have a problem with that if you've got all the
Actually,
paperwork
we
done.
have a motion to suppress at 1:30.
Do we have all his paperwork done?
I believe so, Judge. Judge, if you don't mind, I can let me call my client real fast and just get his work schedule.
And I'm here, Your Honor.
And
All right.
if we can get a day, I just want to try to avoid him from getting in trouble with work for 2 mornings. So let me see if I can find a good date that'll work for everybody, if that's okay,
Well,
Judge.
if you've got all the paperwork done, let's see if we can't get it done this morning.
Okay.
All
I'll
right.
check with Linda on that.
Did you or Mr. Brown check in with us before this morning, just now?
Yes, he did. He did let me know that he was going to be late.
All right, very good.
Yes, Judge, sorry, I was in County Court 11 though. Got stuck in there this morning.
All right. Then let's go back to the main docket, Linda.
Yes, Judge. I think Sophie Martinez is on, I believe. Yes.
Buenas tardes, Sophie.
Good morning, Judge. No, how are you?
Okay, what you got?
Judge, I will.
Hold on.
20.
Okay, Judge.
5, 4.
Judge, I had let Linda know I was in County Court 12. I still have to go back there, but I have 3 people on the docket today, Judge, and the first one is on page number 2, Miguel Angel Quiroz, 662-272.
Is he present?
I believe he is, Judge. He was gonna be on Zoom or in the courtroom because he was.
He's waving. I see him.
Yes, he's present, Judge. He's
All
present.
right. Are you going to confer on this?
Yes, Judge. And then I have 2 other clients on page number 6. I have the 2 closest to almost at the bottom. There is Roderick Burnside, which is case 685-883. And I'll
Rod-
confer, Judge, but I know he's present, but I believe there may
I'm
not
right
be.
All right. Good morning, sir. And
morning.
And then Mr.
You see, there is no file on him right there.
Right, sir, and I'll still confer on them about that. And then I also have Mr. Celestino Nieves right below that, 685-900, and he should be present on Zoom also, Judge.
Where is he at? Celestino Nieves. Celestino Nieves.
I'll check, I'll double check with him, Judge, because I did talk to him and I know he got the link. He is in the military, so I'm wondering if they pulled him out for some reason, but I'll confirm.
All right. Any other attorney?
And if I can confer, Judge, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. I've got you listed to confer. Raimundo, what you got?
I was in there for 10 minutes and nobody ever came to talk to me.
Mr. Alemán, we only have 1 prosecutor, so you're just gonna have to wait because there's a lot of people.
Okay, well, I need to go at 11 o'clock in person for trial in court 11. I've got a trial setting.
Okay, well, it's only 10:15 right now.
And do you know how slow I walk? I'm all blind and battered, and they've got the front door locked, so I have to go to the back door.
All
You have
right.
any-
Well, we'll expect you to check back with us after a while.
Okay, hang on. Can you send me back to that room I'll wait for the prosecutor another.
Linda?
Room 9.
Will you send me back there?
I'm gonna move you to another room, room 6. There.
Right, okay.
All right. Let's try it again, Linda. Let's see. On page 1,
Page 1.
609904. That's set for 1 o'clock. Bernardo
I believe
Ortiz.
so, yes.
And then we have the last case on page 1639024. State versus Jonathan McClellan. Attorney Greg Desmarais. Have we heard from this Mr. Desmarais?
I know he's teaching and he's back in school again. I don't know
I
if he's
don't
gonna
hear you,
be able
Linda.
to make it or not.
I don't hear you. What was yours?
I said, I know he's teaching and he's back in school, so I don't know if he's gonna be able to make it or not.
All right, so Mr. McClellan, Jonathan McClellan, are you present?
Here, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
I'm glad you're here. All right, so Linda, what does that leave Mr. McClellan? He's here, he was on time. Are we gonna give him somebody else or what?
We can, or he's got felonies pending.
I realize that, but this is the 11th setting for this man.
I know. I can give him somebody else if you want me to.
Well, have we heard from Mr. Desmarais on this particular case?
I did talk, he did call me and tell me about resetting because he has the felony pending.
All right, then we'll give him 48 days.
Okay,
Give Mr. McClellan a new date, please.
okay. That's gonna be October the 24th.
You got it, Mr. McClellan? Mr. McClellan, did you get the date?
He's there. Jonathan,
Yes, ma'am.
October 24th, I'm resetting you and I will let your attorney know.
Okay,
Okay?
thank you.
Mhm.
All right, then we have 644-565, State versus Jessica Paget, and Hector Garza is the attorney.
Hello, Your Honor.
Good morning, Ms. Paget.
Good morning.
Are you in communication with your attorney?
I talked to his office this morning. He said that he knew about the hearing, but I have not spoken with him mostly.
So what are we doing with it, Linda?
I'll call Mr. Garza.
I appreciate that. Make sure you do. Stick around for him. Ms.
Sorry, Your Honor. Is this connecting?
All right.
Oh, Your Honor,
Yes.
I'm sorry. I had an issue with my phone. I'm not sure where my video is, but was I supposed to just stick around or?
Yeah, stick around a little bit to see if we track down Mr. Garza. You said you went to his office?
No, I just spoke with him on the phone.
What did he say?
That he was aware of the hearing this morning, and that he would be on the Zoom.
All right, well, he's not here yet, so just stick around then.
Will do. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. 657-848, State versus Michael Ruiz, attorney, Andrew Del Cueto.
That's the motion to suppress at 1:30, Judge.
That's at 1:30, okay. Then on to page 3. Let's see. 667-415, State versus Renisha or Overton. And that's Sharon Thorne.
Ms. Thorne will be late, Judge.
What about Miss Overton?
Oh, there's Ms. Thorne right there.
I'm in court, Judge. I'm sorry. She's there. I know she called me earlier. She's online. I apologize. I've been in felony court all morning.
I know
All right,
I
did you?
saw her.
I'd like to talk to the prosecutor because last time I was still waiting on his offer.
All right, then we've got Ms. Overton. I don't see her.
I'm right here. She's there. Says
There
Renita
you are.
Stone.
Very good.
She's there. She's been here
All right,
all morning,
go ahead
Judge.
and we'll put you in line to confer. We have one prosecutor at this moment.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 670-110, State versus Latora Myrix, and that's Scott Engelke. Neither one is present. Latora Myrix, failure to appear. Scott Engelke, no response. On to page 4. Six, 229, State versus Esteban Briceño, attorney Joseph Acevedo.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Joseph will be late, Judge.
All righty. Stick around, Mr. Briceño.
Yes, sir.
676-223, State versus Centel Witherspoon, and no attorney.
He's present in the courtroom, Judge.
Very good. Mr. Witherspoon, have you hired an attorney?
Tell him I was going to hire a court appointed. He was wanting a court appointed attorney, Judge.
I'm sorry?
He was wanting a court appointed attorney.
Well, he's going to have to apply then.
Will you send him to the back and the clerks will give him the application to fill out?
Will do.
Thank you.
Thank you, Will. On to page 5, 680-346, State versus John Valdez. Tony Jimenez. 680-346, John Valdez, is failure to appear.
Your Honor.
No, he's here, Judge.
All right. And are you in touch with Tony Jimenez?
I can go ahead and give him a call, sir, if that's okay with you.
He was on, he must have logged it back off. I know, there he is. Mr. Jimenez?
Antonio Jimenez III.
Just saw him.
Tony Jimenez.
There he, no, I don't know
We'll
what
wait for him
happened.
to, we'll wait for him to come back.
Okay.
681-871, State versus Caleb Gordon. Patrick Montgomery.
Mr. Gordon's here in the courtroom as well, Judge.
All right. Mr. Gordon, are you in touch with Patrick Montgomery? No response from Patrick Montgomery.
Yeah, he has not talked to Pat Montgomery, Judge.
All right. That's 2 days in a row, Linda.
Yes, sir.
684-602, State versus Kendrick Bowser. Attorney, James Hunt. James Hunt, no response. Kendrick Bowser. Kendrick Bowser, failure to appear. Six, 87124, State versus Maya Candelaria. Attorney, Gary Hillier.
Mr. Hillier will be late.
Maya or Mia Candelaria, failure to appear. On to page 7. 689-512, State versus Noel Joseph. Attorney, Matthew Finch. Matthew Finch, no response.
I'm here, Judge.
Pardon me?
I'm here.
All right.
Noel
Noel
Joseph.
Joseph, yes.
Very good, thank you. Have you heard from your attorney, Matthew Finch?
I know he said he was gonna be late.
Did he contact you, Linda?
No, sir, he hasn't.
All right, no response.
Oh, yeah, he
We'll
told me to
wait for-
join at 9.
689-555, State versus Juan Sandoval Sanchez, attorney, Simon Rawls.
Defendant is present in the courtroom, Judge.
Very good. Mr. Sandoval Sanchez, stick around for your attorney. There is no file on this case. Mr. Rawls was here earlier, wasn't he?
Yes, he was. Shall we just reset it with the other no file on 1018?
Yeah, probably so.
Okay. Will, can you tell him that his case is being reset to 1018, please?
Yeah, I'll tell him right now.
Thank you.
All right. That's my docket. Anybody need to be
Excuse me, sir.
recognized? Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. All I
This
see
is
is
Timothy.
iPhone. Hello, Mr. iPhone.
Yeah, I don't believe I was called. My name is Timothy Ortiz. I had court date 2 weeks ago, which was on the 9th. They reset it
No.
today on the 23rd.
Yes, I talked to your attorney already, and we are going to reset it. For some reason, it didn't come out on the docket.
Yes, and I tried calling the county court 5 yesterday, and they said they couldn't find nothing on file either.
Yeah, give me a second, okay?
Okay,
Linda.
thank you.
And then I wasn't called either. I don't think so.
Yeah.
I just got through calling you, Maya Candelaria.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Me and my attorney are waiting. We're on hold. Are we resetting or?
You need to hold on. There's a long line for them to confirm.
Okay. I just don't want to get in trouble.
No, you're fine.
This
Okay.
is
Ms.
Donald
Candelaria,
Noble.
your attorney is coming in late. And I did call you, but I'll mark you now as present instead of failure to appear. So stick around, Ms. Candelaria.
Thank you, sir.
Where are
Miss-
you at?
Oh,
I see the name, but I don't see you.
I'm trying to put the video on. It says unable. Let me see.
Sure.
Sharon Thorne, what you got?
Judge, I've already announced, I'm waiting to confirm. My client is present, Renisha
Okay.
Overton.
No
I
problem.
just, I went into the courtroom and now I'm in a little room.
Okay, Rodolfo Zapeda.
Your Honor, I'm gonna come back to confer, but I'm gonna have to go back to the 144th after a while, Judge.
All right. Well, if you have to leave to go to 144th, just do what you got to do and then report back.
Yes, sir.
Judge, this is Donald Moberg. Mr. Herbst was in here. He's my attorney earlier. He said he was going to confer. I just want to confirm. Do I just wait and hear for that?
Yes, sir. You wait until we tell you different.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
Did I get a reset or couldn't hear Linda?
Okay, yes, contact, Miss, who's your attorney?
Julie Pollock or Pollock?
Yes, contact her, because I've already sent her an email.
And she'll give me the reset date?
Yes,
Okay, may I be
Okay.
excused?
yeah.
Okay, thank you.
I got the video to work, sir. Good morning.
Okay, Ms. Candelaria. Just stick around and wait.
Mr. Cepeda, did you need to be put out in a breakout room?
Yes.
Okay, give me a second. Joseph is in the courtroom, Judge.
Is that the late Joseph Acevedo?
Actually, I checked in, Judge, to let you know I was in district court.
Yes.
Judge, Mr. Briseño, may I have one last pre-trial to see if we can work it out?
Case number.
673229. Hold 1 minute, please. Hold 1 minute, please.
It's been reset 9 times. I'll give you one more. 28 days.
Yes, sir. What's that date, Your Honor?
It's going to be September 27th.
You got it?
Yes, sir. I put last pre-trial.
Yes,
Thank you, Your
sir.
Honor. May we be excused?
Let you and Mr. Briseño let him know the date.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr.
May we-
Briseño, be in touch with Mr. Acevedo.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
Take
you.
care.
Excuse me, Judge, since my lawyer is late, do I just stick around?
Yes, sir, until he either shows up or I release you.
Matthew,
thank you.
Matthew Finch just got on, Judge. There he is. Matthew Finch and Gary Hillier are both on, Judge.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning. Matthew Finch, where you been?
Judge, I've been in the 437th and several other Zoom settings. I apologize for being late. I'm here for Noel Joseph.
Case
If I
number.
could confer, that'd be great.
Case number.
689-512, page
Say
7.
again. Say again, Linda.
689-512, page 7.
All right. Mr. Noel Joseph is present. Now we have Mr. Finch. And Mr. Finch, you're going to have a wait because there's only one prosecutor, and we've got about 18 different people want to confer.
Okay, Judge, is it possible that I could get my client to be excused and for 30 days, and then
We'll do it for 28, but at this point, it's not set. Be sure you let him know. Mr. Joseph, we're going to excuse you at this time since you've been here since 9 o'clock waiting. And be sure you get in touch with your attorney. We'll give him a new date.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm going to join a breakout room. Thank you.
All right, now who is there?
Gary.
Gary Hillier.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I apologize I'm late, Judge. I've been in the 187th and I made sure that the office called the court before 9 o'clock to let them
Yes,
know.
he did, Judge.
Very good. All right. And what's your case number?
It is 687124 Maya Candelaria, and it's off. I see her on email.
She is present. She's been waiting.
Thank you, Judge. Sorry, Linda. I need to confer if I can, Your Honor. It's our first setting, so I don't think we have all the discovery yet. Can Miss Candelaria be excused, please, Your Honor, while I confer?
Maya Candelaria, you are excused. Your attorney will be doing some work for you, but stay in touch with him, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge. I'll go into the breakout room.
All right. Raimundo, ¿qué pasó?
Judge, I'm still waiting to talk to a prosecutor, and it's now
Let me
10:35.
tell you again. You're one of about 18 lawyers that wants to
Yes.
confer. We only have one attorney conferring
Judge.
right now.
Yes, Judge, but it's 10:35, and I need to report to court 11 for a trial at 11 o'clock.
All right, as I told you before, you go ahead and take care of that, do what you gotta do, and then report back to us. If in fact you go into trial, call our clerk and let them know.
All right, well, would they please let my client know?
Who's your client?
Eileen Trejo. Do I still have to stick around too?
No, you're excused, ma'am. But stay
Okay.
in touch, touch with
Yeah. With my-
Mr. Aleman.
Yes, because once you reset it, he'll call you and let you know what the reset date is.
Okay.
Thank you,
Linda,
Judge.
All
that's
right,
you, Linda?
take care, Raimundo.
Is that you, Linda?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
Judge Longoria?
Yes.
This is William Davidson. On my case, I had gotten an approval for pretrial diversion from my client. They sent me some paperwork and I unfortunately did not give it to him. They resent it today. Is it okay if we reset this for a short period and have him complete what he needs to do?
What's your case number? Yes, the answer is yes, but are you talking about
Biden
Morales?
Yeah, Biden Morales.
Yeah.
And the case number is 669.
Yeah, I got it. 669-062.
Yes, sir.
How much? Okay, we're resetting you for 60 days, right?
Okay.
All right. You're excused, Mr. Morales, you're excused, but get in touch with Mr. Davidson. Get those papers finished right away.
Thank you.
You had another one, didn't you, William?
I had Stephen Diaz, but I have not been able to get a hold of him.
And he's
I'm
the
going
one
to
with,
check.
He's the one with the competency issues, Judge. So both cases have been reset to 10/25.
All right, so you're clear.
Okay, thank you. Yeah,
You're
be
welcome.
excused.
Of course.
Thank you.
Flavio,
Yes, sir, Judge. Two cases will be dismissed and two cases will set for plea.
give me the case numbers.
Okay, for plea, Your Honor, 671092, Rudy Puente.
Hold on.
There may be a wrong
671.
number on the docket.
671092, page 4.
I got it.
And also
That's gonna be,
Julio-
that's gonna be what now?
on Rudy Puente, we're going to plea and I request September 14 when I will be in your court at 1 p.m.
Very good.
September 14 on Rudy Puente. The second case for plea is on page 5, 683130.
Same date.
Yes, please. Julio Rodriguez, same day, September 14 at 1 p.m.
All right.
And my other two cases will be dismissed on page 4, 670772, Ariel Harris.
All right.
And on
And
page
you guys,
5,
I just want to make sure I heard you guys correctly. This is Ariel Harris. It's getting dismissed, correct?
I'll talk to you later, Ms. Harris.
Okay.
Please don't
Muting.
interrupt us. And on page 5, 681346, Rafael Ortiz Pecho will be dismissed.
Okay, sound like you had a productive morning.
Yes, sir, Your Honor. So we'll see you on these other two on September 14.
Very good. You're excused at this time, so are your clients.
Thank you, Judge. I'll contact all of them.
All righty.
Bye-bye.
Tony Jimenez.
He's still trying to connect to audio.
Antonio. All right. Who else we got?
I think everybody else is still conferring, Judge.
Somebody's walking up into the courtroom.
Oh,
Your Honor, I'm excused.
Who's speaking?
Rafael Ortiz.
I think you are.
Flavio.
yeah. Hold on. Yes, your case, Mr. Ortiz, is going to be dismissed. So you're.
Oh, thank you. Have a great day.
You too. Stay out of trouble.
Mr.
Your Honor,
Bond?
am I able to go too?
Yes, ma'am. Ariel?
Thank you. Have a great day.
Mr. Bond?
I came back because I sat in that room alone for all that time, so.
I know, I'm sorry. We only have one prosecutor, and we have just a lot of people wanting to.
Is it Kyle or is it somebody else?
It's Kyle.
Okay, good, because that's the one I'd worked with. Okay, can I log off to get on another Zoom and I'll come right back?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, am I still waiting on Miss Rochelle or can I be dismissed?
Which case is it?
63058. She's checking on the PTD application.
Okay, I was just concerned.
All right. We had a large docket today, so it's a little longer, slower than what we normally would do.
Hey, Linda, I also have Mr. Morgan still in the courtroom waiting on Pat Montgomery. You're muted.
Let me try to, I've been trying to get in touch with Mr. Montgomery.
Okay.
Okay.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yo,
This is John Valdez. I got in contact with Tony Jimenez, and right now I talked to his I'm guessing his assistant, and he's wrapping up something in County Court 1.
well, stick around until Tony gets here.
Okay, yes, sir, no problem. I just want to notify you. Thank you.
Yes, sir. We're going to take a 15-minute recess. I'll be back at 11.
Older to his life experience, you know what I'm saying?
You're on mute.
Yes, sir. Or did I go? Okay.
You're in the main room.
Okay, cool. Awesome. Thank you.
Maricela, you there?
Yes, I am.
Hey, can you go into a breakout room with me?
Uh-huh.
Whichever one's fine. It doesn't matter. Oh, you're already in one. I'll do one.
Okay.
Okay.
And Linda and Judge, I do have an update whenever the court is ready.
Okay, who's it on, Jonathan?
I got to speak to Kyle on Carlos Vargas, and he has no objection to that case being moved to go with the felony, which is set on October the 3rd for his sentencing date. And he is present on the Zoom now, ma'am.
Okay.
And then I have that other one with Sharon Mendez, and he's gonna withdraw the MTR, continue her, ask for a new tap to be done, and then we want to set the existing case, the 666 case. We want to set that for a plea, but I'm gonna politely ask for 30 or 45 days. There's still some discovery I need to review with my client.
Okay, so do you want to just reset it, or do you want to set it for the plea? Go ahead, or what?
If we can set it for the plea, like we're gonna work it out on it's the 666 case number. But if I could just like a little bit longer than 30 days just because I need to show my clients some videos. And Linda, the last thing, she has ignition interlock ordered. Unfortunately, the car that she had, she no longer has that vehicle anymore. And we need to do a portable alcohol device. And the state has no objection to that being modified.
Okay, so first of all, the plea. 30 days would be either the 28th or 29th, I believe, of September. That's what I'm
Do you
looking at.
have anything the first week of October, ma'am?
The first week of October you want? Okay, so then we'd have to do the 5th or 6th,
I'll do the 5th.
October 5th, and that'll be in the afternoon at 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then you said she was gonna be continued on the MTR case, right?
Yes, and he's gonna ask for a tap.
Okay. And then for the ignition interlock, you need to talk to Judge about switching to Smart Start Mobile or whatever you want to do.
Yes, ma'am. And were we still gonna be able to reset the other one, Mr. Vargas's matter?
Oh, yeah, that's gonna be October 3rd with felony, right?
Could we just put it on the 5th just to make sure?
Oh, yeah, we can do that with
Yeah.
felony pending. Yeah, we can do both of them on October 5th, because then you'll be dealing with it by the 3rd, you said, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
that'll be fine. Okay.
And do I need to approach the judge or whenever Judge Longoria has time?
Yeah, he should be back at 11. Then you can ask him about the ignition interlock.
Yes, ma'am. I know that Kyle was in agreement with it and he said he could also approach the judge. I do have to run to another court real quick. Could I report back or check back on that and be excused for right now?
Sure.
Okay. And may my clients be excused too, Linda?
Yes, that'll be fine.
Okay. Thank you, Linda. I hope you have a great day.
Welcome. You too.
Don't work too hard.
I thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Catherine, can I help you?
Hi, Linda, I'm here for Tony Jimenez. He had to go to a hearing in San Marcos. I believe it's gonna be a plea.
For John Valdez?
Yes, I'm sorry.
Okay.
And you do the pleas in the afternoon, correct?
Correct.
Unfortunately.
If I could get the offer just to make sure, and then if we could, well, you know what, we can do it by email. Just give me a date next week when it's good for the court.
Okay, so I am looking at next week would be the 31st. If not, we'd have to do it the following, which won't be until the 14th or 15th or the 21st, 22nd.
I'd say the 31st is good.
31st, okay, August 31st. Okay, we'll do it then. At 1.
Okay, and Mr. Jimenez will get everything done with the DAs before then. Okay?
Okay. All right.
Thank you. Have a great day, y'all.
You too.
Excuse me, Miss Linda.
Yes.
So I'm John Valdez. You said the 31st?
Yes, the 31st. You have to appear in person, you and your attorney, to do the paperwork.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So as of right now, am I okay to leave the chat? I don't want to get in trouble or anything like that.
Yeah, no, because you've been recent, Mr. Valdez. You are free to go.
You have a nice day.
You too.
Alrighty, bye-bye.
Oh my gosh, I did all this. You are lucky that I like you because usually your cases. Oh my gosh, they're mine?
Okay, Linda, what do we got?
Still waiting on,
Hello, Linda. Great minds think alike. I'm just getting ready to go up to county.
Did we ever hear back from Rochelle?
No, no, sir, we haven't yet. I know she said she was gonna come get back with us, but I don't know when she was gonna try to get back with us.
Have we heard from Hector Garza?
No, and that's who I need to try to call. And Patrick Montgomery, I did hear he's in trial, sir. So I reset his case. He's been in trial since yesterday.
Scott Engelke?
No, haven't heard from him. Let's see.
I think Patrick Montgomery had 2 cases, right?
He only had one today.
Just one?
Yeah.
James Hunt?
Haven't heard from him either, sir. Les Hertz is in the courtroom.
Did Matthew Finch ever report?
Yes, he did. He's in the breakout room.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Be right with you. All right. Yes, sir. What can I do for you?
I was wondering if I could confer with Kenny,
You could what?
confer with the prosecutor.
What you got?
I've got 2 cases, Donald Moberg and Rogelio Vega Flores.
Give me some case numbers.
Mr. Moberg is 675704. It's on page 4 of the docket sheet. And Rogelio Vega Flores.
Let's go with Moberg. There's no file on him. What are
Right.
you doing?
I just want to see how long it's going to take to get a file.
Okay, let me get you 949. It's out of there. Okay, 1 second.
Also on Rogelio,
Well, Mr. Moberg, let's recall him in 28 days. Let's see
Okay.
where we are then.
yes, sir.
Linda,
September 27th.
that's 675704. What's the other one, Leslie?
September 27th is Moberg.
No, the other case?
The other case is Rogelio Vega Flores, 639043. Top of the
Six-
second page.
639.
Yes, 043.
Somebody needs to mute that caller. 639043.
Yes, sir.
What do we have on that?
The prosecutor was going to see how much restitution would be required to entertain a dismissal.
I didn't quite understand what you said, Les.
I said, where's the microphone? The prosecutor was supposed to find out how much restitution is required.
Okay, so 30 days should do, 28 days is enough, right?
Yes, if we can have them both on the same day, that'd be great.
Very good. Linda, make it happen.
Yes, sir, 27, 927 on both.
Thank you, Linda.
Mhm.
All righty. I think, Mr. Herbst, that's it, right?
Yes, sir.
You and your clients are excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Always a pleasure to see you.
Thank you, sir. Better to be seen than viewed, right?
That's right.
That's
Michael Goins.
Good morning, Your Honor. Once again, I'm here on Jacques Mims, 681-400 is the first case, and there's two others to go along with it.
681. All right, where you been, Michael?
I've been in with conferring with the DA, and they're going to dismiss all three cases.
All right, so on 681-400, it shows as a fugitive. Are we gonna recall the warrants? Is it strict? Is the warrant out of this court?
I don't believe so, Your Honor. I believe the warrant is on 688-696, which is also being dismissed. It was just filed on a violation of bond or protective order.
Oh, okay. So what's the resolution to these three cases?
All three will be dismissed.
All three are dismissed. All right, Linda, make note that the cases are dismissed and we're recalling the warrant.
Yes, sir.
All right, what else you got, Michael?
That's it, Your Honor.
Then you and your clients are excused, sir.
Thank you very much, Judge. You have a
You're
great day.
welcome. You too.
What's the case
Colleen,
number?
iPhone 210-831-3131.
That's Rolando Garcia.
Yes, sir.
I don't know whether the judge has time to consider an off-docket matter. I wanted to present a motion to modify conditions of pretrial release. Only if he has time for me to address the issues.
Judge?
And there's another case, but the motion has been accepted by the e-filing department on 773. It hasn't been accepted in 669-031. But they're filed at the same time. They're identical motions.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
so who is that on the phone there? I can't tell. Is that Roland?
Yes, sir.
All right, it doesn't show your name, just the phone number.
I'm sorry, sir. It's
all right.
off docket matter, Judge. I don't know whether you have time to entertain anything off docket this morning.
This, what you got?
It's a motion to modify conditions of pretrial release, Judge. I was in your court last week.
Give me the case number. Give me the case number we're talking about.
673-773. And a companion case 669-031.
Same person?
Same person. The particular cause numbers that I shared with the court, the files still haven't made it into your courtroom. I've been handling a DWI case that's already in your courtroom. Okay?
Who's the defendant?
Se llama Brian Contreras Perez.
Brian
Contreras
Perez.
Perez. Yes, sir.
And what is it you're trying to amend?
I just want him off the GPS monitoring system, Judge.
You're talking about you want him off the scram?
Scram, and he also, I think, your court has him under supervision by the either GPS or ELM, but he's under full house arrest.
When was he arrested, Roland?
Oh, Judge. April the 2nd was when he was released. Briefly stated, Judge, before I represented him, he was on the monitor. He cut off his bracelet twice. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Since I've represented him, April 2nd, he's been compliant. This is the kid, Judge, that has 2 felonies out of the 399th, 2 different departments. He also has a grand jury number that's being, but I'm dealing with 4 different prosecutors. And as diligent as I am, I know it's gonna take another 2 or 3 months to finally, I want to package everything together, Judge. And take it, maybe take these cases into consideration that are pending in your court. Particularly the violation of protective order, because he has a family violence assault pending in the 399. And I've been working with that prosecutor. I provided them with documentation, affidavits, a couple of months ago. They're still, like I said, they're swamped. And so he's got a job waiting for him.
Have you, Roland, have you conferred with the state about this?
Not this morning, I just filed it this morning, Judge. But I talked to you, the motion contains a reference to me talking to your prosecutor when I was in court August the 18th, and he told me to get a hold of ADA Demico and the 399th, because my client has a drug case pending there. And I still haven't gotten a response back. I'm dealing with Bridget Clay also. And then there's a new prosecutor with his new grand jury number. Just like I said, I'm dealing with 4 different prosecutors.
Well, the only ones I'm interested in right now primarily are the ones in this court.
Yes, sir.
Because you're asking for relief on the conditions of bond, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, so I'm a little confused because I did read the motion and I wasn't sure if we were talking about, when you say GPS, what is the basis for that restriction or condition?
My paralegal looked it up, and it seems like those conditions were initiated by the violation of protective orders in your court. That's my understanding.
So we hit him with a GPS.
Yes, sir.
Full house arrest.
Yes, sir. Like I said, I've been to your court on the DWI, Judge, maybe 2 times, maybe 3, and I have yet to see the violation of protective order falls.
All right. So ultimately, at this point, you want partial house arrest? You're willing to live with that?
Not really, Judge, because I don't know how much longer this is going to take, and I don't want him. He has to move around. He does construction work. I just like him. Like I said, he's been through it, and you can double check. I haven't vetted the compliance, but it's my understanding April to May, June, July, we're finishing August. Not one violation.
Yeah, but we got him by the ears.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me what you want.
I just want him removed from the GPS monitoring, Your Honor.
All right. Let's try him with partial house arrest at this point. You'll have the GPS, you'll be able to go to work and home. Let's do that for 30 days and come back and see me at that point.
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate your time. I know you're very busy this morning.
Let me know about 30 days. I want you to come back and let me know. If
And I
he's got
should
no
have-
violation,
I'll
if
have
he's got no violations of any kind, I'll probably just pull it completely at that point.
Okay. And by that time, hopefully I'll have more updates for you regarding
All righty.
the spaghetti bowl of issues that I'm dealing with these prosecutors. Thank you, Judge.
All right, Roland.
Good to
take
see
care.
you. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Rochelle,
Hi, Judge.
tell me about Brandon's client.
Oh, on Brandon, Judge, we believe that she's a fugitive. They've been trying to reach her.
You no reach? Okay, so she's gonna have a warrant out of here. She'll be a failure to appear. What else? You had another one, no?
On McVeigh, Judge, if I can get a breakout room with my client, I did reach out to Ms. Chavez and I have an answer.
All right, go ahead and put in breakout, Linda.
Okay.
Anybody else can report?
Okay. And how can I get to Linda? Linda.
I'll be right with you, Sharon. I'll be right with you.
Okay, I'm back in the courtroom. I've been all over the place. I just need to probably get a reset on this.
Sharon, what you got?
Judge, Hi, I still need to confer, but I'm too close. I need to confer, but I was put in a waiting room forever and all these other courts wanted me. It's getting kind of late. I was just wondering if I can't get a talk to a prosecutor today, can I just get a reset or just set it for trial? Because obviously you only have one prosecutor day.
Actually, I think Kenny is back.
Is Kenny back?
I am, Judge. I have returned.
Okay.
All right. Well, now we got two prosecutors. Stick
I
around
can
a little
put
bit,
you
Sharon.
in. I can
Okay,
put
but
you
is she gonna
in.
talk to me about anything?
Yeah, that's my client, Your Honor. I'd like to talk to.
She's not telling me anything.
Because I've been waiting, ma'am. I've been waiting to talk to a prosecutor all morning.
I know.
Kenny, can you go to 3 with Sharon, please?
And I'm in the courtroom.
Yeah, Will help you get into the breakout room.
All right, thank you.
But Miss Linda, I was just saying that she doesn't tell me anything about any of the court things, anything. She just will tell me when it's rescheduled. She won't tell me any information, anything.
Okay, so all I can tell you is once she is done, if you want to be put out in a breakout room to talk to her, I can put you in a breakout room.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Linda, what breakout room do you want Sharon in?
Hold on. I think it's 3, but hold on. Let me let you know. 3. Should be breakout room 3.
Linda,
Go to 16, but that's it. So I have co-host.
Okay, let me move you. Hold on. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, sir.
on page 3, Zepeda, did he already report?
He was here and then he had to leave.
Okay, so we're still waiting for him.
We're still waiting on him.
How about Charles Bunk?
I haven't heard anything and I think he left.
Okay.
See him.
No,
Scott Engelkey still has not reported, right?
No,
And Myrix,
was an FTA.
okie dokie. Sharon Thorne, we're waiting for her to confer.
Yes.
Bunk and Zepeda, okay, page 4. Page 4 is completed, huh? Mr. Diaz got a competency pending, so I'm not going to issue a warrant at this point. Page 5 is completed with the exception of Winkenhauer is failure to appear, right?
Winkenhauer, where are we?
Page 5.
Yes, failure to appear. Judge, Mr. Bunk is back.
Charles Bunk,
Yes, sir.
what you got?
I was waiting to speak to Kyle, and there was such a line that I ran over to County Court 13, so I've come back. So if Mr. Vance is available, that's probably who I need to start with.
I think he is available now. We got Kenny Delco back too.
Hey Linda, can we put 667-415 and 16 on the trial docket, please?
Oh, hold on, Kenny. Hold on, give me 1 second. I will put you, Mr. Bunk, in breakout room 15. Give me 1 second.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Mhm.
All right, which ones are you talking about, Kenny?
For Miss Overton, Your Honor, we're going to request that be moved to a trial docket.
That's my
Okay.
client, Judge.
Sharon.
So that'll be
Yes.
667-415
Right, on page 3.
and 16, yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor. And Ms. Overton, I'm going to call you right now as soon as I'm excused from the court, okay?
Okay, that's gonna be September 30th.
September 30th.
September 30th for trial?
Yes,
All right.
Trial docket, is that a Friday, Linda? Yeah. call.
yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right. Your Honor, may my client and I be excused, and I will call Ms. Overton right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
All right.
So you just step up and is that black mic right there? That looks like, is that green?
It looks like Gary Hillier's here.
Judge, can I approach? Your Honor, is that working?
I can hear you.
On page 6, James Hunt never showed, nor his client. Is that correct? Bowser? Kendrick Bowser. It is 11/24, failure to appear. Mr. James Hunt, no appearance. Sophie Martinez, did she report on
Yes, Judge, she's in a breakout room.
Okay. And Gary Hillier showed up too.
Yes,
What about,
he's actually in the courtroom, Judge.
I'm back in the court.
Celestino Nieves on page 6? That was Sophie Martinez's client.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
He
I'm
did
here.
appear?
yes,
sir.
he's on.
What time did he decide to show up?
No, I think he's been here, Judge. We were waiting on Sophie. Let's see.
All right.
Gary?
Linda, I came to the courtroom. I couldn't fix the internet, so I just came up to being here rather than.
Okay, so did you need to confer?
Yeah, I was waiting for Kenny and it kicked me off the internet. So
Okay.
if I can, please.
Okay, give me a second.
Thanks.
Yes, Rochelle.
Hi. So on Miss McVeigh, I did speak with Miss Chavez. They're gonna offer my client the PTD. So she's gonna email me an updated contract for the PTD. So I just need to get that to my client. I have her email. So if we can get a short reset, I can do that in the interim, and hopefully that will be done prior to us coming back.
Okay, Judge? 3 weeks? Judge?
Sounds okay to me.
Okay, September 20th,
What's the case number on that?
636058.
Three weeks, okay.
Okay, Rochelle, September 20th.
Okay, thank you. May we both excuse?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Miss Linda,
Yes,
is there a way I can go into a break room with Miss Sophia Martinez?
I have to wait till she comes back and then I can put you in a breakout room with her.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, hey, Linda, can I please be moved to a breakout room with Mr. Hillier?
Yeah, I put him in, hold on.
Oh, actually, I have, did you put him in 3?
No, I put him in 16.
Okay, yeah, because it's making me go back to 3.
Okay, hold on. There you go.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Your Honor, may I approach? It's Gary Hillier. On the video.
Can you get a little closer to the microphone?
Sorry, Judge, I was trying to.
You can hold the microphone in your.
You can hold the microphone? Sorry, Judge, I'm having problems with the camera.
It's much clearer that way. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I've conferred on Miss Candelaria, which is 687124.
Already.
We requested the missing discovery, Judge, and we're going to be filing a breath discovery motion today. I thought my office had taken care of that already, but apparently they haven't. I'll make sure they do that today, Judge.
All right, how much time you want?
Hold on, Edward. Okay, how much time are we doing this?
A regular reset from us, please, Miss Linda.
30 days?
That works for me. I'm not sure if Mr. Delco can.
Kenny, 30 days?
Let's give him 40. Split the baby.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay,
All right.
let's do October 5th then.
10-5.
Got it. Thank you, Miss Linda.
You're welcome.
May I be excused, Your Honor?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, have a good day. Thank you. Thank you, Linda.
You're welcome.
Sophie Martinez, has she reported back?
No, Judge, she's in the breakout room with, I believe, Kyle. Let me look. Yes, she's in the breakout room with Kyle.
Hey, Linda, are we still on for this afternoon at 1:30? Because I have to call downstairs and see if the officers have showed up or confirmed.
Yes.
Okay, and who is the defendant again? I forget. Oh, hang on. It looks like it's Michael Ruiz. Yes. Michael Ruiz. Okay, let me go
I
downstairs.
believe that's yeah, if I'm not mistaken, it's Ruiz.
Okay, yeah, let me go downstairs. Who is the officer again? Linda, so it looks like the SAPD people are on lunch. So I'll guess I'll let you guys know when I hear back from them.
Okay. And Judge Sophie's back. Judge,
Yes,
Sophie's back.
Hello, Judge.
hi.
Okay,
you got?
Judge, so I'm back on the three cases. Court, let me know when you're ready.
Sing out. Let's start with the first one.
Okay, on page number 2, Mr. Miguel Quiroz, 662-272.
Hold on. 662.
272.
Yeah, right at the bottom.
Okay, yes, sir. And on that one, Kyle has agreed to a conditional dismissal with him taking a class and making a donation. So I'm just gonna need 60 days for him to get that done. And then we should be able to dispose of this case.
All right,
And he's putting that in writing and emailing it to me, so we won't have an issue with that later.
very good.
And then my two other individuals, Judge, on page number 6, Mr. Celestino Nieves should have checked in. Yes, I can see him. He did check in. That is 685-900 on page number 6.
All right,
And that is going to be a dismissal today, and he's going to copy me on that dismissal.
very good.
And also on page 6, 685-883, Mr. Roderick Burnside.
right.
There's no file on that one right now, Judge, so I think he's gonna review it and send me an offer, but there's no file on that, so if we can get 60 days on that one also.
60?
Yes, sir. There's no file yet, I think.
Yeah, but it's, you don't have a felony or anything. I'm
No,
gonna give you-
sir.
I'm gonna
We
give you
can, I
20
mean,
I'm gonna give you 28 days.
28 days, Judge. Where did you pick that number?
I get tired of saying 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, 30,
I
30.
like 45 better. How about 45?
Well, that's fine with me.
Okay.
Reset it, Linda.
Okay, so on that one, it'll be 10/22. I mean, I'm
On-
sorry, 10/18.
On which one? Mr. Burnside, 685-883? So
Yeah.
Burnside, okay.
And then on Quiroz will be 10/25.
Okay. 10-5 kilos. Okay. And Judge, may we all be excused, and then I will reach out to my clients by phone.
Take care. You're excused.
Thank you so much. Mr. Quiroz, Mr. Nieves, and Mr. Burnside, you all can get off, and I will call you shortly.
Thank you, Ms. Martinez.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Take care.
Take care, Judge. Good to see you.
Same here. All right.
Grandma. Kenny, can you meet with Matthew Finch? He's in 18. Or let me move you there. Hold
Yes.
on, I'll move you. Hold on. There you go. Uncle Santa.
Linda,
Yes.
hey, so I have a Cassandra Morales in the courtroom. She's been all over the place looking to find out where she's at. On the computer, I looked her up because she's not on the docket. I didn't see her on the docket anyway. The
What's her
computer
name?
says like she's not supposed to be here till October, but there was a possible setting in the 437, so I sent her over there. They sent her back, and
What's her case? What's the case number?
I gotta look it up again real
It's
quick.
okay. What, do you have her date of birth? I can look it up.
Yeah, it's September 9th of 93.
And
It's Cassandra Morales.
Cassandra Morales. 437, she's set for today, I show.
I know, and then there's an alternate setting that shows like the trial setting below it.
Right? Yeah, I don't know if they're resetting it maybe. But as for here, I have it set for October the 3rd.
She's saying that her lawyer had called her and told her to meet him here, but her phone died and then she hasn't seen him.
Yeah, no, I reset this with Mike on the 1st of August to October 3rd because of the felony pending.
Okay, so it's set for October 3rd?
Yes, October 3rd.
Okay, I'll let her know and just have her come back.
For us, October 3rd, yes.
Oh, okay, thanks, Linda.
What are we second?
Judge, Mr. Finch is back.
Who?
Matthew Finch?
Yes, I just conferred with Kenny, Judge. He has extended an offer that we might be able to apply for a PTD if I could get a 30-day reset to make that happen.
Okey-dokey, what's the case number?
Your Honor, it's 689-512. If memory serves me correct, it was page 7.
Yes.
So be it.
927.
Thank y'all. Thank y'all for letting me be late this morning. Y'all have a good morning.
Take
You
care.
too, Matthew.
Let's see. Charles Bunk,
Yes,
what you got?
I conferred and my case is going to be dismissed.
Case number.
Hold on.
Got it.
It is
7291.
Yeah, but what she said.
Did you give me the case number?
667-291.
Say again?
667-291.
Okay.
Page 3, Judge.
Page 3. There we are.
We're gonna get out of here. So do you think, did Stephanie have any?
Linda,
Yes, sir.
make a note 667-291 to be dismissed over the objections of defense counsel.
You want me to go with?
Ain't that right, Charles?
Yes, sir. I object to their dismissal. They should have never filed in the first. It took 'em- I object because it took them too long.
All right. Anything else for you today, John? Charles?
That's all I have, sir. Thank you very much.
All right, you're excused then. Have a good day.
May my client be excused as well.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Joe, you can log off. Thank you.
Thank.
Anybody else got a report?
We,
We got
Jessica Paget, Hector Garza, is in the CPS hearing. I don't know how long that's gonna take.
which one we talking about?
644-565.
And Judge, if you don't mind, I need to step out for a couple of minutes. The
No
boys.
problem. All right. Well, Hector Garza never showed up, right?
No, I called his office and they told me he's in the CPS hearing,
He's what?
at a CPS hearing.
Oh, nice. Had we heard from them before?
No.
Put him on the list.
Okay.
All right. On Miss Paget. Recall her in 2 weeks. Give her,
September the 14th, Miss Paget.
September 14th?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yes, ma'am. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, may I log off?
yes, ma'am. Thank you for showing up. Sorry you had to wait so long.
No, it's okay. Thank you.
Then we have,
We have Miss Yolanda Jackson. I know Rodolfo Cepeda, but I don't know what happened. I think he had to go to another court room.
well, we'll wait. How about, Michael Ruiz on page 2? And this Del Cueto. Did we ever hear from Del Cueto?
So that's the one that's at
That's set for
1:30.
1:30. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Okay. So, we got anybody else?
Let's see. A12, Elena.
Yes, Case ma'am, number.
present.
Case number.
What is your name?
My name is Alana Caraveo. My case number. I just had this paper.
Oh, there you are. 689-574. Brian O'Donnell is your attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
Judge, it's on page 8, the first one.
All right. Which one are we talking about?
The first one, Elena Carveo.
Caraveo. All right. Brian asked for a reset, didn't he? Because it was felony pending.
Yes.
Okay, so Ms. Caraveo, you're excused.
All right, thank you, sir.
Get with your attorney, Mr. O'Donnell. He was here at 9 o'clock sharp.
All righty, thank you, Judge.
Ms. Caraveo, you're excused.
Yes, I'm trying to log off of this. Thank you.
Okay. And then we have last one, Yolanda.
Yeah, that's Mr. Cepeda's case.
Well. Which case is that?
665025.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm back.
Let's recall Ms. Jackson in 2 weeks since Mr. Cepeda has failed to check back with us.
Okay, so I'm gonna do September the 14th.
You got that, Ms. Jackson?
Yes, September 14th.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Take care. And that is it for this